How to make restaurant menu page in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a page for a restaurant menu into your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over to wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the site's dashboard. Once you're on the site's dashboard, you're going basically to head over the website that you want to add that page of. Basically, if you're going to add a restaurant page or a restaurant menu, you need a restaurant website. So, if you are going to debut this process from the beginning, you're going to create a new, as you can see here, website specific for restaurants. So you are going to click on create on Wix editor, then you are going to create the website of yours. But in case you're not going to proceed or you have already a restaurant page or menu, we are going to head over the website itself, click on select and edit site. Once you have did that, you're going to see the dashboard of your website. Now, what are we going to do is basically to head over the website itself, and by that, I mean the editor of the website by clicking on design site or edit site from the setup or the homepage. Click on it and it will guide you directly to the Wix website editor. As you can see, it will take a little bit of time to load up. The elements are going to be in heavy positions, also in heavy sizes. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the left side of the screen, as you can see in here, and from these elements, we're going to choose the third one, which is going to be the page with the two lines. That means that it is going to be the menu for the pages and the website menus. So here, as you can see, we have some, as you can see, categorization of the pages, like the site menus, sign up and logins, booking pages, cart and thank you page, store pages, and etc. What we're going to do is to add a new page, and that page is going to be a specific page. We are going to click on add page. Basically, before adding the page, you need to set up or set it up in where it belongs. Basically, I'm going to add it on the menu. So let's see here if we have some menus in here. We can go ahead and add a menu bar by heading over here on the elements first. Then we are going to click on menus. Then I'm going to be able to add a menu like that. I'm going to extend it a little bit. So we are going to have it only on one page or one line menu like this. And I'm going to put it like this under the navigation or the login bar, or I can go ahead and put the login bar in here. And the menu is going to be something in here. So everything is cool right here. Now, as you can see, we have the hamburger menu that I do not like actually, so I'm going to delete it and let it just like that. Now, we are going to head over the pages and menus again, select the home page because it is going to be, or the site menu, which is going to be in here. I'm going to delete the new page that we have this. I have I created this page by accident. We're going to click on add page. Now, instead of adding a blank page or any of these pages, we're going to filter the page or the specific pre-made pages that we need. And it is, in our case, restaurants. So we are going to click on restaurants. So as you can see, add menus and food ordering. So it is going to be a showcase for your restaurant recipes and also etc. Now, as you can see, we have 5 restaurant pages that are going to be created and one member page. So it doesn't matter for our case, the member page, but the page for the customer to view the menu, which is going to be the most important thing. So we are going to add the Wix restaurant, which is going to be an integration or a plugin into our Wix that will permit for us to add the pages or the specific pre-made page. So in here, I'm going to wait for a few seconds until the Wix restaurant orders is going to be added. And then we're going to see the category of it. So now, as you can see, we have the page here. So basically we have the online orders and here we have the menus. So I can extend this menu as much as I want to a specific, let's say here, extension. We have the menus, and as you can see, we have the food ordering. But when you are going to head over here, you're going to see the restaurant pages. We have the menus, which is going to be this page. We can go ahead and click on it, and then we are going to see the specific menu. So this is the menu, and also we are going to get the pricing for the menu if you are going to have a restaurant, and everything is going to be modifiable. So for example, I can manage the menu or quick edit, as you can see, the content and the layout of this specific page. Now, aside from that, I'm going to click on manage menu, and then we are going to see it on our dashboard. Now, what we're going to do is to see on the catalog that we've got something new, which hasn't been on the menu or the catalog in before. So we have it in here. So as you can see, we have the dinner menu. We have 4 sections, 21 items. We can go ahead and add a section or add an item. For the sections, it is going to be something like this that is going basically to collect or the all the specific, as you can see here, items. So as you can see, this section is going to be named appetizers. The mains is going to be something like that, and the desserts also, or desserts, are going to be in here. So you can go ahead and create your own section or your own item. To create an item, you're going to click on the button, set up the information about the item, the name, the description, the label, the price, the image, and also you have some modifiers if you have, and also the ordering, how you can go ahead and order that. For the section, you can go ahead and add the specific menu section, like the name of it, also the description of it. So that was very simple to create the menu details and etc. So that was for the restaurant. And if you're going to create, for example, a recipe or a menu that is going to be not paid, you're going to create it into a blog. But for today's video, we are going to be like someone that has or own a restaurant website and also has the menu online. So you can go ahead and edit the section details. You order the sections, for example, hide from the menu, and etc. And with that, we have set up everything. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.